Watch it, babe. Come on, come on, come on. Out and then
Why she got scared? She's stupid.
I'm just gonna skip everybody. Who's waiting patiently on the line?
Look at all this! Fire truck and a police car, police officer and a police car, police officer.
I gotta know, baby. Oh, yeah. Tell me again. Make sure.
Wow. The hell's a one-way? What the f? I'm telling you, just look. Wow, look. See? That's what I'm saying, guys. Shit like that. That's, when you do that, you drive. Damn. That.
Right there, you know. The same thing with Wendell. Though Wendell is coming up now, especially with those new homes that are because of those, you know, upcoming. I think he's chasing that one, right?
Which one? Blue one?
Right toward Interstate 295, New Jersey Turnpike.
He stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah, he stopped it. You see?
The blue one, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably hubcaps and other parts. Or just drunk. Road degree.
In 1,000 feet.